Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy new week. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's ready to trade well, have good performance, and be careful and improve. We're gonna go over the. There's not much news today. We do have some news like PMI, and at 9:45. So we have PMI and ISM at 9:45 and 10 a.m. So that's gonna be important. Oops. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like that. Don't do that. I'll let that load. I'll go ahead and open things here. Okay. And I'll just finish this real quick. Okay. Now we have this red out of it. There we go. Okay. So we can see here, we're still very tight in the range. We had a liquidity sweep on Monday. Sorry. I mean, of the 4 weeks ago, basically now. Yeah, and we had a little bit of retracement back into the range. But if you look at the 1 day and 1 week, it broke down and just been consolidating here. Here's the 4 hour and 1 hour. We can see from yesterday we had a lot of volatility and then broke down on Sunday. Full retracement, a little bit of consolidation, buyers came in, and then we broke EMA, retraced, and broke out. And the structure on NQ, I mean, it's similar that ES is leading, NQ is slightly bearish. You have to be careful of that. Also, the YouTube video, the next episode 3 is coming out very soon. Shouldn't be no later than max next Monday, but it'll likely come by Friday or Saturday. Yeah. Okay, we're all good. I'd just like to see if we do go higher, how do we retrade this area? If we go lower, think we'll find support here or not. And then we have the 50-minute and 30-minute. Good. You can see from yesterday how weird the price action was. Then so far in the pre-market we have a little bit more clarity of direction. But let's not be fooled, it's only been the first few minutes. So I'll just quickly log in right now. Mm, oh, oops. Okay. Let's get to the 1 minute and 5 minute. So ES is already testing yesterday's highs. That's interesting. And NQ is leading bearish by a lot. So this could mean, I mean, just the structure, it could be bearish divergence. We could break lower. That's not like possible. I mean, it could happen. Um, we're under yesterday's point of control. So you can see actually buyers opened up under valley area, immediately pushed higher, retraced, pushed higher, a little bit of retracement, buyers pushed higher, and now let's see if we hold view up. Okay, looks good. So now we have a negative delta right now. Hey, good morning, Scott. How's everything? And I'll open it like this. So we had a retracement of VWAP right now. I mean, we're lower now. Um, it's interesting because, like I say, that the divergence, right? ES playing a new high as well. NQ is very much like it was testing like just yesterday's point of control. So that bearish divergence is it's a huge divergence. So I don't know. It makes me feel like downside is more has more potential. Let's see how we react to point of control and all. We still got time to see how this unfolds. Oh, great. Thanks for tuning in, Scott. Yeah, we can observe together. If you have any questions, let me know. Just filled yesterday's liquidity. Oh, sorry, we filled liquidity, period. So you could argue, yeah. Like, I think that idea was, I mean, definitely accurate because we've only been like 85 points off in the opening. So I think it was a good idea. Like, just understanding that this is a huge divergence with ES testing previous highs and NQ in the middle of the range, right? So that breakdown was nice. So that's nice. We have two low volume nodes. We have a VWAP at 495. Still have liquidity lower a bit. Let's see how we react to this low volume node. Like what I would like to see is a retracement of this low volume node and a push out to this one. So I would say like something like this. Basically a retest of the untested wick. There's still liquidity lower.
Let's go. Surrendering.
So we're breaking lower. Clearing the liquidity. A bunch of wicks here, which we front runned. Sellers continuing down. Yeah, that would have played out. Okay. Hmm. A little bit of pullback. That's what I wanted to see. Just like this. Oh. Pretty wicky here. Oh, point of control flipped as well. Liquidity higher. Took quite a bit of slippage on that. Played out. So yeah, I mean, entry was just I didn't want to trust it. I kind of got burnt with that trade, but that's okay. It happens. So I just want to see how we react here. I couldn't get filled out with full size. I don't know what happened there. Hmm. Okay. Why this is what happened. Basically, what happened was that first trade I took, I could have been a little bit more patient. This trade I took, I didn't get. I mean, just basically it was kind of wiki, so I didn't get full with full size. So unfortunately, it before playing out, it filled me out, but not my full size. So it was like a you not a break even because I got more filled for a loss. But then this trade I took is okay. Yes, I'm winning. I just have basically like one loss. What about you? How's it going? Were you able to take any trade yet, or still not fully trusting the price action? Cause yeah, I will admit, the price action is not the best still. What's VIX at? We got 20, so we have a little volatility, that's for sure. I want to see buyers kick up right about now. Okay, no, but sellers took control actually. Just didn't expect ES to lead this. I see. Yeah. Mm. ES is still going lower. Played off fast. Let's see, because I wanted to front run too. Yeah. I don't even think I would have got filled out. So that was a good trade to avoid. Just being a little bit more patient and risk off here. Just want to give more time to pass. Okay, there's news. Okay, nice exit. So Scott, what makes you avoid I know you like to observe, which is great, but um how do you see, like, why do you think you don't want to trust it yet, or you just think it's too confusing, you know? Like it helps like with clarity because we want to improve as traders, right? So if we know what we're, because we also want to be careful if we're just a little bit too cautious, you know? Because if I was too cautious here, I would have avoided that winner. So you have to have a little bit of a balance. This PDF is about um it's about trading. It's an old PDF, but it's not like something I mean this is from like from if I think I told you Scott personally, like if you remember my last loss, like um yeah. Did I make anything from it? I don't know what you mean by that. Like did I learn anything? Included 850. Should have been a little bit more patient to be honest. Okay. These trades get slipped on quite a bit. From right now I'm up yes, I'm up on the day. Um so um yeah. Oh my god, how did that happen? That's weird. One sec, sorry. Okay. Yes. No, it's not a loss. It's a winner. Oh, you took a loss? Is that what you're saying? I took this trade right here. I entered at the low to make a new low. So I will admit it was a little bit too soon to enter, but I was trying to get in at like safely, but it didn't really work well. Nice. That's good. Well, oh, are you still here, Scott? There's a little volume note here too, though. Mhm. Hmm. Not bad. Mm. And I liked how we closed. Hey, is Scott? Mmm. Ooh, apple.
It's almost been.
No uncertainty here. Okay, buyers coming in. Okay, let's just wait this out. 850. That was a bad entry though. Front run liquidity. Where's liquidity? 850. Yep, gonna get more pain first. That's what I was worried about. Yeah. Okay, full retracement. Mm. Point of control flipped. Okay. There's liquidity right here. Oh, one sec. Mm. I think I just got logged out. Yeah, I just got logged out. Okay. Mm. Volume keeps flipping. Don't like that. Okay. Did it play? Yeah, I did play, no? Very wiki. Mm. Was interesting this, but I don't like the value it keeps flipping. That's okay. We have a slow volume node still here. Well, I mean, I hope it is not actually rejecting, but like, you look, the buyer's price action is not good too, and CVD is not very strong still. I mean, yeah, but like, I'm not liking it. It's like, price action is not very clean. Mm, 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 mm. Point of control again flipped. Scott, are you here? Oh, you are here. Great. Because I It was like showing no views, but then I was like, huh. You know, I say that it showed that there was no views, but I'm assuming you just left for a minute, but then you came back. But then I called you, and I was like, oh, maybe it's someone else in the chat. No, no, it's okay. Everything is fine. Um, what was I gonna say? Uh, so far I got 7 views. That's pretty cool. Okay, okay, okay. Nice breakout. Yeah, no, it's just yes, and Q are not moving very nicely together, and it's really affecting my ability to take a trade. That's not fun. We're really trading yesterday's low volume node basically, so we could stay in here for a bit longer. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's like upside. I don't see is happening because, and let's see this low volume node we have to get through. Downside is more like doable. So let us see. Yeah. Excuse me. Huge order just appeared. Just it's too late. Okay, so I would have played Alpha Full, but I didn't really. I got in too late, so I didn't feel too comfortable with that trade. Little base hit win. So we, I like the idea because point of control was right there, and we had that like a manipulation. So now we're breaking down. Didn't want to short this because that liquidity got it was what was the what's the word again, spoofed. So I don't want to take it, and plus it makes sense to stop here. We could continue lower, but I don't know. I want to be careful with my entries because with the amount of volatility per candle, don't want to get in and then just you know mess it up. Like exactly, that's what I was thinking could happen, and I didn't want to have that happen. Mm. You lost there. Could have just yeah. I mean, it's so wicky, and I something just like just wait it out, Zaki. Right? Here's the POC play. I knew there's gonna be more pain. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Interesting to see that happen. Look at that candle, man. Like this is just it's so nasty. Mm-mm. Oops.
Zaki, take it easy. Nudge.
Mm. I mean, it made sense because it gave a lot of pain, and then it played. Gotta gotta really trust the process here a little bit better. Um, but it played out. Here's liquidity. Just wonder if it'll just break and go, or will buyer step in? So it goes to 825. Okay, it's gonna be a stomp out. Okay. Oh yeah, because it ran up 1500. Yeah, I mean, okay. Like we're moving, but the directions are just. I mean, Okay, like to play the valley area, like I don't know. Now I'm just. It's just we have these pullbacks. Do like this movement, but kind of could just close weirdly. Bookmap is not really helping me with the with understanding. I think my computer needs to be restarted too. It's not really running that good. Thanks for watching, Scott. Appreciate you. You're basically my number one, I guess, subscriber. Um, aggressive buyer stepped in. Mm. Mm-mm. Low volume node right here too. Still that liquidity at 825, which is the level. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, too fast. Okay, no, already played out. Basically, that was a trade though, but played out. Okay. 800. Mm. Almost filled me out. Mm. I protect myself from a lot of downside. How was that such a big loss? That's not true. Okay. Somehow it was still a full stop out, but that's okay. So I just have to keep a little bit more. Um, yeah, this is just annoying. Okay. 800. Okay. A crazy sweep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just yeah, no, it's giving a lot of pain before making moves. Okay. Think I'm gonna call it. Break out of IB. Played a good amount, but it's like mm-hmm. Once overnight gets filled, I just wonder. Um you know, it's 810. It was a good front run, honestly. Okay. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Flipped hard.
Be a man of discipline, not striving.
So, like, move.
Stop the build.
Randomly starts playing. Shouts too. Oh, I got slipped on that. Man. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Yeah, I know it's confusing. I actually have no idea when you're watching or you're not here. It's not. It doesn't work very well. That breakout was very nice, but like I can't expect such a, you know, nice little scalp. Anything changed for you, Scott, with what you see? Okay, so nice. Um, I mean, I'm definitely gonna sit off on shorting here with a like just there's a lot of buyers who come in here. Could just get a flush, but I need to be careful about that. Liquidity at 750. Mm. I think buyers will come in. If they don't, it plays out. But I need to see a little bit more pain. Can't be so easy, but it is gonna. I mean, if it plays, it plays. You know, I gotta wait for confirmation. It's like barely moving. An aggressive buyer just stepped in. Hey, Scott. Yeah, played out, but yeah, it gave a little bit of pain, but really just playing it carefully now because I don't know. I think it's just because this whole price action made me like getting the mindset that I can't trust this like a straight move down, but now it's happening. That's funny stuff. Um, Scott, are you here? Sellers still taking control. I guess I actually don't know where they're planning to go. I don't see any like yeah. There's liquidity at 700. I don't know what's there. 700 is all over here. That's some ways to go though. I might just slow bleed. What? How down are we? We're down 1%, 1.3%. Okay. Nice little retest. Go play this. Make something like this. Yep. Let's see if it works though. I wanna test. What had that played out? You know, because 10 points, it's getting a little bit harder to get. Okay, let's see. Break of the level. Fire stepped in. I mean, a good manipulation near the end. Yeah, played out nicely. Okay. And there's liquidity at 700. Want a better entry. I get that. If I were to enter here, I don't like my risk. Don't like the risk. 30 seconds. If it plays, it plays, but I don't like the risk that I would be taking. I'm just worried about the manipulations that happen. I want to see how this candle closes. A retest of here would be great. Looks like it's gonna play out though. A low volume node too. Okay. I'm being shy gun. Don't mind it. There's even more liquidity down. Okay, but where are we going? Okay, there's a reason we're doing all this, right? There's a little bit of a support here. Okay, we flushed that. A little bit of a support here. I'm being shy gun. I'm definitely being shy gun. I think I should just walk away. Like I don't need to overstay my welcome. But I'll see if I can take one high quality trade, if anything. Buyers came in. Wanted to see that. There's that low volume node. See how that candle closes. I need to see how you react to this low volume node and then break out and then push. If you do, push. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Hey, that looks like a good setup. We really haven't had a kick up. Oh god, I'm so sorry. You're looking at the wrong screen this whole time. Yikes. Sorry about that. I feel like the longer the stream gets, the more latency that happens. We're just breaking down more. And buyers are definitely coming in. around this area. That's good. Two wicks like this, two nice closes. Let's just see if they can actually hold it together and get a little bit of a retracement back up. I just want to know how we react to that low volume node though. There's also this low volume node, which is even thinner. Yikes. I think I'm just gonna have to scalp this actually. Same structure, like buyers are really pushing down. Yeah, maybe I just feel like some buyers will step in now. Like it will happen. Mm, Discontinuing. Okay, fill the liquidity. Yeah, I like the action though. Price action. It's nice. It's just hard, but nice. We're down like so 1.5%. We're still going. We're testing yesterday's wick right now. It's definitely getting like sellers are struggling a lot more in the past like uh how long? 10 minutes almost. Sorry, 6 minutes. Another push up. That's what I want to see, but then more about the low volume node. This whole area is like very little. Um, so yeah, that's what I was. Like, we're gonna front run that low volume node. Okay. Finally, buyers gotta kick in. Like, let's see how they close and the next candle if it's not just a full like retracement back lower. Cause let's see how this plays out. But basically, I just want to see how we react to that low volume node. It's all getting here. I even think that's 10 points. So yeah, it's not. So I want to see how aggressive sellers get here. That's what I was afraid of, and that's what happened. Full retracement and a bullish engulfing candle, basically. Okay. I mean, the structure is still good for buyers to come in. If this closes a sweeping candle, that's good. Let's just see in the next 6 seconds. No, pretty rough close. And there's liquidity lower still. I don't want to get in as a seller just because, I don't know, I feel like it's just too risky for me to do that. Play this level, which is 657. Buyer step, a seller stepping in again. Okay, good. I'm avoiding a lot of bad trades, which I'm happy about. I think this is just like shaking out a lot of buyers and sellers, gaining liquidity, and then we can start generating liquidity. Back to a little bit of retracement to then make new lows. That's possible. Sounds like a good plan for the market to do. Let's see if it does it. Engulfing bullish candle. Okay. Keeps breaking. Liquidity at 650. It's getting thick, increasing in size. Let's see. The 5-minute candle closed. Where is that? Right here. I don't think I'll have an opportunity to get in. Multiple times buyers are protecting this area. That's why I do not want to short. It's like it could play out, but if it's gonna play out, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be hard to enter that. Okay. Is it just gonna do it in one candle? Another breakout. Okay. Didn't expect that, but it's doing in one candle. I'm not gonna jump on that. So I have to be careful. This is gonna trap buyers now. Like the market is just trying two ways to trap all the urgent buyers and sellers. That's my assumption right now, just because it doesn't feel that clean. Okay. Um. Okay, that's a low volume node right there. Let's see how this closes. Okay, nice. Very good. Let's just see if it can continue. Maybe a little bit pull back. Just want to see buyers hold this though. That'd be great. A little volume node right here. And being patient. Okay, great. Low volume node. Some filled, but it's bigger, but it's okay. Let's just see how this candle closes and let's see how buyers react. That's like the end goal. If I can see like a good reaction, I like that. Sucks when you're so patient and then you first trade is like complete, like that happens, but okay. And then it's just I know the price action is weird. Okay, let's see. Okay. Hey Tanishk, how's everything going, man? Okay, we're having a break. No, I just want to see buyers stepping. Or if they get more aggressive. Mm-hmm. That's that's good. Just took a loss right here. It was like so patient for this move, and then I mean, it's just hard to get in properly with like a smooth entry. That's okay. I do like how this is closing. Okay, yeah. Tried to reduce. Tried to like. Yeah, it's just not clean. Not clean at all. It's rough. Okay, that happens though. It's just like, yeah, no, sellers are just very strong today, very strong. Um, and I'm just getting trapped in that. Oh, my stream almost crashed. So it's just like a liquidity sweep. Buyers came in, two candles of pain, and we broke. We trade basically hit this bottom low, which makes sense. Liquidity is about to get filled. Front run. Should accelerate here. Nice breakout. Another low volume node. Liquidity at 800 all the way here. Reacting to a double bottom. I'm a little worried about that double bottom. Candle's about to close. Okay. Need to reduce risk. Rough ass close. Okay. I mean, yeah. That was a rough close. Just front around it. Now sellers are stepping in. Okay, guys. Well, that's the sound of trades. I'm gonna call it. Rough close. Like, this is just annoying. Like, these are good trades, but just I knew it was the double. I mean, I'm not gonna say I knew. Like, it's hindsight. But yeah, I'm done. Hope everyone enjoyed the stream. Take care and have a great day.